For today's video, we dug deeper on Amazon to find essential motorcycle accessories at affordable prices. Link to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. But before we get started, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and while you're at it, ring the bell icon over there to get updates about new videos as and when we release them. The first item we have is a microfiber mitt to wash your bike. Using a mitt, in my experience, has proved to be a lot more easier than using a normal microfiber cloth. It helps to reach in a tighter spot where a microfiber cloth just doesn't come in handy. And also it keeps your hand away from the paint of the bike while washing your bike to keep all the dirt particles away from the paint. Sticking to the theme of keeping your motorcycle clean, the next thing we have is a brush specifically made to clean the chain and sprockets. Although lubricating your chain is pretty obvious, people don't realize that cleaning your chain before lubricating is crucial. So I would recommend going over your chain and sprockets with this brush at least once or twice a week and then lubricating it to keep all the dirt away. For the rest of the video, we are moving towards items for tire maintenance, as tires can help you extract every ounce of power that your motorcycle has to offer. A portable and cheap air pump, although this might not replace the one which you find at fuel station or the one which you have with your local mechanic, but it might come in handy when you're up early morning ready for a ride just to find out that the tire pressure in your motorcycle is not correct. I can make a long list of rides where I've been to Lavasa and the ride was just not good enough because the tire pressure in my bike was not correct. This might also come handy to fill air in your tire after repairing it when you have a puncture, but I won't recommend doing that for obvious reasons. I got this air pump along with the Ride on Air air cushion, but you can find loads and loads of air pumps on Amazon under 200 bucks. All the links will be in the description. Next up, we have a pen pressure gauge. Little fluctuations in your tire pressure might affect the way your motorcycle handles. So it is advised to check your tire pressure on a regular basis and especially before a ride. This little thing fits in your pocket or under your motorcycle seat, and it can read in both PSI as well as bar. So you are set no matter what unit your motorcycle manufacturer prefers. A small piece of advice: always fill or check your tire pressure when the tire is cold, as all the recommended tire pressures are for cold tires. I personally prefer checking the tire pressure early in the morning before I go out for a ride. I hope that you never get in a situation where you have to use this last item that I'm going to mention on this list, which is the puncture removal kit. If you do not know how to use this kit, I suggest you Google it right away, as it is a very important thing to know. This is the cheapest version I could find online. The grips on the handle are a little bit rough and unfinished, but apart from that, this kit works just as fine. After you are done removing the puncture from your motorcycle, you could use the air pump mentioned earlier in this list to fill up your tire. But I'd recommend investing in an electrical air pump if you know that you're going to be in a situation where a puncture is not that unusual. Situations like touring or off-roading. Those were our top 5 picks of motorcycling accessories under rupees 200. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below, and we'll be giving away all the products mentioned in this video and some of our stickers. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is to share this video ahead on Facebook and tag 4 of your riding buddies, as we want to give this whole kit to one riding group. And needless to say, only the people who are subscribed and have their notifications turned on are eligible to enter this giveaway. So that's been it, guys. Like this video if you like it, dislike the video if you did not like it, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. YouTube is weird sometimes and might not show you the videos that we put out even if you're subscribed. So make sure that your notifications for this channel are turned on to catch each and every video that we release. This is me signing off. Thank you.